Hello, today we will speak about a Java text block with French literary flair. A text block in Java offers a clean and elegant way to write multi-line strings. Its main purpose is to increase clarity and reduce boilerplate when expressing longer string content such as quotes, documentation, or even HTML or SQL snippets. Before Java introduced text block, crafting multi-line string meant dealing with messy concatenation and new line escape characters like \n, making code harder to read and to maintain. With text blocks, the code becomes more concise, readable, and true to the original formatting. Let's look at traditional string versus text block. Let's consider a simple example using the name of a famous French author. String GQ name equal Victor Hugo. Using text block, string text block name equal triple quote Victor Hugo close triple quote semicolon. Both variables contain the same string and behave identically. For example, dqname.equals tbname returns true and dqname equal tbname returns true. Both refer to the same intern string. Next, mixing text block and literals. You can mix text block with standard literals in expression. For example, you got the string intro equal in French double quote un grand écrivain close double quote. This means a great writer. And then the string quote equal triple quote Victor Hugo close triple quote semicolon. And then you mix it by doing string message equal intro concatenate double quote space double quote concatenate quote plus concatenate double quote dot double quote semicolon. And this would return un grand écrivain Victor Hugo. Next, passing a text block as a method argument. Here's an example using a beautiful quote from Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, Le Petit Prince, system.out.println, triple quote, then you open the quote with a double quote. On ne voit bien qu'avec le cœur, l'essentiel est invisible pour les yeux. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Close triple quote. This means we see only well with the heart, the essential is invisible to our eyes. Next, using string methods on a text block. You can treat a text block like any other string. For example, in the following, triple quotes Albert Camus close triple quote dot substring which is a string method, parenthesis 7 close parenthesis dot equals parenthesis double quote Camus double quote close parenthesis semicolon, and this returns true. So you can use string methods on text block. Next, cleaning up a multi-line quote. Let's take a look at a quote from Voltaire written the old way. In the old way, a bit messy, you had string quote equal double quote backslash double quote il faut cultiver notre jardin, comma backslash double quote dit Candide dot backslash n double quote plus etc. And you see there is you have to escape the double quote, you have to escape the break line backslash n, so it is a bit laborious. Now rewritten with a text block, modern way, clean and clear, string quote equal triple quote double quote without escape, il faut cultiver notre jardin, etc. Close triple quote semicolon. Next, final example, a Victor Hugo masterpiece, and here you use the text block to print it in a console. String Les Misérables equal triple quote, il n'y a ni mauvaise herbe ni mauvais homme, il n'y a que de mauvais cultivateurs, Victor Hugo. And then you use it in system.out.println, parenthesis Les Misérables, which is the text block, close parenthesis, semicolon, and it outputs this content. Conclusion, text blocks are ideal when working with long literary quotes, multi-line documentation, embedded code snippets, and clean string formatting. They help preserve intent, reduce clutter, and improve readability, especially when you are inspired by the beauty of the language, just like the greatest French writers. Thank you very much, and maybe see you in another video. Bye!